Best floor cleaning brush with vacuum. Welcome to today's video where we're diving into the best floor cleaning brushes with vacuum features. If you're tired of the old mop and bucket routine, then you're in the right place. We're featuring top models that combine powerful vacuuming and efficient mopping in one seamless process. From pet-friendly solutions to advanced features like self-cleaning and smart sensors, these machines promise to make floor cleaning faster and easier. Stick around as we break down the best options on the market to help you find the perfect all-in-one floor cleaner for your home. BISSELL CrossWave Hard Floor Expert Wet-Dry Vacuum 3831. The BISSELL CrossWave is an all-in-one vacuum and mop designed to clean hard floors effectively and efficiently. It combines powerful vacuuming with convenient mopping, saving you time and effort. The self-propelled steering makes it easy to maneuver across various sealed hard floors, including wood, tile, linoleum, and laminate. Its hard floor brush roll provides thorough cleaning, while the hard floor sanitize formula eliminates 99.9% of bacteria. The two-tank technology keeps clean and dirty water separate for consistently fresh cleaning. The self-cleaning cycle, paired with a rinse and clean-out storage tray, ensures the machine stays clean after every use. BISSELL supports the BISSELL Pet Foundation, with every purchase helping save homeless pets. BISSELL CrossWave Turbo Pet Pro Multi-Surface Wet-Dry Vacuum 2328. The BISSELL CrossWave Turbo Pet Pro is a versatile floor cleaner designed to clean multiple surfaces quickly and effectively. It combines vacuuming and washing in one step, making it faster than using a sponge mop and bucket. The CrossWave is safe for use on tile, wood, laminate, linoleum, vinyl, rubber mats, and rugs. It is specifically equipped to handle pet messes with a tangle-free brush roll, pet hair strainer, and pet multi-surface formula with Febreze freshness. The antimicrobial treated Fresh Start filter helps prevent odors, while the self-cleaning cycle and rinse and clean-out storage tray ensure easy machine maintenance. Every purchase supports the BISSELL Pet Foundation's mission to help homeless pets. BISSELL CrossWave HydroSteam Wet-Dry Vacuum 3513. The BISSELL CrossWave Pet Pro Plus is an advanced multi-surface cleaner designed to tackle pet messes with ease. It features two-tank technology, which keeps clean water and formula separate from dirty water, pet hair, and debris. The self-cleaning cycle maintains the machine's performance, while the Simply Multi-Surface Pet formula uses plant-based ingredients to remove pet messes and eliminate odors. Safe for tile, sealed wood, laminate, linoleum, and area rugs. It also uses HydroSteam technology for up to 20% better cleaning on tough messes. The tangle-free brush roll minimizes hair wrap, and LED headlights illuminate hidden pet hair and debris. This all-in-one cleaner vacuums, washes, and steams in one step, making it a convenient solution for pet owners. Tineco Floor 1S2 Smart Cordless Wet/Dry Vacuum Cleaner. The Floor 1S2 is a smart wet/dry vacuum that combines the power of a vacuum and floor washer in one device. With iLoop Smart Sensor technology, it automatically adjusts suction, roller speed, and water flow to tackle dirt and messes efficiently. The full-color LED display provides a visual cue, changing from red to blue when the floor is clean. This cordless cleaner offers up to 35 minutes of continuous use, leaving floors dry and streak-free in minutes. Its dual-tank system ensures you always clean with fresh water and solution, while the self-cleaning function makes maintenance easy by flushing the brush roller and tubing automatically. JONR D12 Vacuum Mop All-in-One. The JONR D12 Vacuum Mop Combo offers 4-in-1 cleaning, vacuuming, washing, wiping, and drying floors in one operation, saving time and effort. It features improved edge-to-edge cleaning to eliminate dust bunnies and debris along room edges. The hands-free self-cleaning function flushes the roller and tubing automatically for easy maintenance. With up to 30 minutes of cordless cleaning, it's effective on sealed hard floors like hardwood, tile, and marble. The dual water tanks, 850 milliliters fresh, 450 milliliters waste, ensure continuous cleaning without interruptions. 2 modes: Auto for regular cleaning and Max for deep cleaning. Allow customization for different messes. The kit includes the main body, charging station, power charger, and cleaning brush. Shark HydroVac MessMaster Heavy-Duty 3-in-1 Vacuum. The Shark HydroVac MessMaster is a 3-in-1 vacuum, mop, and self-cleaning floor machine designed for deep cleaning hard floors and area rugs. It effectively handles wet and dry messes, removing dirt, debris, stains, and grime, leaving floors streak-free and ready to walk on immediately. The continuous self-cleaning system ensures the tool stays clean, preventing dirt from being redeposited. Featuring an antimicrobial brush roll and rinse cycle dock, it resists mold and mildew growth. This multi-surface cleaner is safe for all sealed floors and area rugs, while the included odor-neutralizing concentrate reduces odors. It also offers a stain boost mode for tougher messes and features debris filtration for easy cleanup. Tineco iFloor 3 Cordless Wet-Dry Vacuum. The Tineco iFloor 3 is a cordless vacuum and wash system that efficiently cleans sealed hard floors by washing and vacuuming simultaneously. With up to 25 minutes of uninterrupted runtime, it offers powerful suction, 2.5 times stronger than its predecessor, for a deeper clean. The self-cleaning cycle keeps the brush and tubes fresh, while HEPA filtration captures fine particles and allergens for cleaner air. The ultra-quiet operation ensures minimal disturbance. The dual-tank technology separates clean and dirty water, and the generous water tanks, 0.6 L clean, 0.5 L dirty, allow for longer cleaning sessions. The included digital LED display provides real-time updates, and the package includes the main body, cleaning solution, filter, charging base, and cleaning tool. And that's a wrap on our roundup of the best vacuum mop combos. From BISSELL's multi-surface marbles to the Smart iFloor 3, these tools are designed to make cleaning more efficient and less time-consuming. Whether you're tackling tough pet messes, large areas, or just want a hassle-free clean, there's a solution for every need. Be sure to check out the links in the description to learn more about each product. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more cleaning tips and reviews. Thanks for watching and happy cleaning!